me right now is Miss Mench Dizon, the marketing supervisor for Trinoma, which is having its food blogging activity today. Miss Mench, can you tell us something about the food blogging?
It's actually a first for Trinoma. It's our first blogger activity. Basically, the idea is for the bloggers to go around the different dining establishments of Trinoma, because Trinoma is the dining we want to be the dining capital of Northern Metro Manila. So we have over 100 restaurants, and we would like to showcase this. And one way for us to be able to get to our market is to our bloggers. Our bloggers, kasi we believe, are the new food critics now, the new food reviewers. So if you would like to look up a new restaurant, normally you go online, and the bloggers are very, very active in the online community in terms of reviewing new places to go to, restaurants to visit, must-tries.
So most of the people here are people who attended this tour of yours, are bloggers?
Yes. We collaborated with Yehe.com. They were able to get a number, I think around 100 to 150 bloggers signed up. Actually, if they didn't limit it, they were saying na baka lumampas pa to 400 the bloggers, but we had to limit it, no? So we have around 100 to 150 now. So they're at this time they're going around, they're tasting the food from our different merchants, from casual dining to fine dining to fun dining, because the mall is really packed with a lot of dining offerings.
So how many restaurant dining areas here signed up to provide to be part of the tour?
We upon confirmation, we had around 30 plus restaurants, and it's a good mix because we, as I mentioned, we had captured almost all types of dining establishments, even the fine dining ones, like at our third level, especially like Haiku, Casa Armas, Abe, Madison Steak Grill, Good Earth, and California Pizza Kitchen, and Hossein.
Yes.
So we're really pushing our third and fourth level restaurants also, because this is something that's truly unique for Trinoma, our alfresco outdoor park experience.
So, well, aside from this food blogging activity that you're doing, anything else that's related to this or similar activities you'll be doing? But targeting a different market naman.
Yeah. Well, we're exploring with several groups now, but now for Yehe. More than the blog tour is we'd like to sustain it, how to, but we don't want it to just end with one big blogger activity and then that's it. So apart from this, we'd like to come up with sustaining activities. Of course, we'll check with Yehe and other groups, because different target markets naman yan eh. So that's it for now.
So you seem to be using the internet the internet society communities to market Trinoma, which opened
we opened May 16, 2007.
2007.
We're still 8 months.
So why the use of the internet as a way to market?
Because it's powerful, and it's something that even young and old alike refer to or go to when they want to look for something. And in this day and age, it's the only way to go is digital. So if we just keep ourselves to the usual medium of just print, of course, these are still very, very important. But coupled with this is something related to the digital online community, because admittedly there are communities that are very, very strong in the net, and the only way for us to be able to really get across our message if we tap into these existing online communities.
Is it also because, well, I suppose you're targeting Filipinos who are abroad, na if they plan to come back to the Philippines, you market Trinoma to them, so that when they come back here, they visit the place?
Yeah, that's also one of the reasons. So we want to target both the local market geographically